Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again. Today we're going to talk again about mastering moisture and specifically again desiccants. In one of the last episodes I showed you guys the desiccant that has the color changing effect. So whenever it gets moist, it turns green. And this is actually something that's reversible. So you can get rid of the moisture inside your desiccant and you reuse it if you want to. And that works with all silica-based gels. They typically start to release their moisture at about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, depends on the brand. And what you can do is you just pop it into the microwave on some medium setting and you let it sit in there for as long as it takes until the moisture is released. Make sure to vent in between so that you can actually release the moisture from the microwave, or you can put it into a regular oven, set it to something like 150 degrees and let it sit in there for a couple of hours, and it will turn back to the normal original state. And here I have the sample I showed you in one of the last videos. It's back to bright orange, so you can reuse that to dry up your powder. Hope that tip was helpful. See you guys again next week.